breaking further down, bratans, where we can go right. This is what we will speak because we see right now the daily support. We broke our bearish divergence, worked out earlier than expected. We spoke about this big bearish divergence. We saw here RSI goes down while the price here goes clearly up, and we saw it not only on the daily, we saw also this big bearish divergence on the weekly, right? We saw it here. The RSI was going up, you see it here, but the price, I have even to zoom out even more. Wait a minute, but the price here was, maybe make it even like this because it's not so much space. The price was here clearly going down, you see, while the RSI is going up. So this massive bearish divergence working out right now, and we are speaking right now where we could go, Bratan. So subscribe to this channel if you appreciate here these updates. And by the way, I showed you also the short opportunity in our Telegram group, which is absolutely for free. I closed my short with $1,856 in profit for Bitcoins. I closed it, but I opened another trade, which I share with you, two actually short positions, which I will show you in a second. Let us quickly speak here about where we could go right now. So we see we broke this daily support very clearly with yesterday's candle, and it happened on Friday evening. So usually if Friday evening we see dump, we see throughout the weekend a dump. And where we could go right now, it's in my opinion very, very clear. So if we are watching right now on the 4 hourly, and this also, by the way, what I told you already in the Telegram group, we see here this purple or blue line. This is the 200 moving average. As soon as we break it down, we could start to short. So either right now, again, you have to understand there are two options. If you are hourly or day trader, you could short. In the big picture, for swing traders, it's much more safer to long, in my opinion, not financial advice, because we are still in a relief rally. So you have to decide for yourself. There are two options. I explain you right now. There's two options. So either if you're an hourly trader and you're sitting really very often daily on the screen, there are two options. In case we are breaking here this purple line down, we can start to shorting down to which level? I tell you. If we are breaking 22,800, we could start to shorting down to this green moving average on the daily. So if we break 22,800, we could set a short to the first moving average at 22,170, and the second price target would be the daily support, again this purple 200 moving average line at 21,750 approximately. So 4.7% short opportunity. Obviously, you could even right now go into a short. We're speaking still about option one for day traders or hourly traders. You could set even right now a short, take profit 21,700, and your stop loss, I would set my stop loss above this red moving average, above 23,500 approximately. So this would be a risk reward of 2.3, still a very, very good risk reward ratio. However, a short right now, because the trend on a daily is still to the upside, is very, very dangerous, and only for professional traders, bratans, right? In my opinion, this was the option one. For swing traders, you could go right now in a long. However, in my opinion, if for swing traders you will be in a long right now, then watch out, because for us who are watching also, because I'm also in a swing trade, we are watching for a price target of 27,400 to the weekly and monthly resistance. Still, it's in play. 27,400, right? So still 20% from here on. And if you could even, if we are going to daily support or to the weekly support to 21,000, we could even add to our long position here. Watch out that your stop loss, if you are in a long, is below 20K. Right? You understand? This is option two. If you don't understand, watch the video again from the start. This is option two, right? And I show you also the first option, because I'm right now I'm hourly, sometimes I'm hourly trader and day trader, but most of the time a swing trader. However, I jumped into several shorts right now. So I'm right now here in a short of Bitcoin right now with $329. in a short, $326 in profit, 68%, and I short also Cocos. Here I'm right now $571 in profit, 140%. However, my swing trade, my swing low, which is the difference between day and hourly trader and swing trader, is that hourly or day traders holding the position usually only for hours or minutes or maybe one day, and swing traders holding for several days or weeks. And my swing trade is here also still in play, which is right now $10,000 or $11,000 in profit, 454% in profit. My long position, it's still in play, and here I'm watching for a price target of 27,400. This is still in play, so I hope you understand. And in my opinion, the Ethereum update, Shanghai update, will be in March. This one I'm expecting a real big dump. Another indicator why we will see right now a big dump. I mean, yes, we could go to 20K even right now, but this is not for me the big dump when we will see Bitcoin to 20K to 15K going. This we will see later this year, because this is only relief rally. But the proof, in my opinion, still why it's still in play, why the relief rally is not over, is the S&P 500. Because if you're watching my videos, you know that S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. If we are watching here, the S&P 500 right now, wait a minute, I have why he's not opening the line. If we are going here on the daily, then we have here a resistance line, which I don't see right now. I don't know why we don't see this resistance line. Wait a second. And very important for us to watch this resistance line, because why it's not, yeah, now we see it. You see, this was a resistance line. Since 2021, we broke it to the upside. As soon as we broke it, I told you we'll see run of Bitcoin, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator. And right now, we are retesting here this white line. You see, a perfect retest here. I can even zoom in. You see, perfect retest. And I'm expecting here to see a bounce to the upside, right? And if we see this bounce to the upside, then we see a relief rally of S&P 500 and obviously of Bitcoin, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator. In case, bratan, in case we are breaking down this line, if we are breaking down this white line to the downside, then I will immediately close my long and sell all my Ethereum, FXS, and so on. Because if S&P 500 breaking down this resistance line, this support line, it turned into support line again to the downside, then we will see a big drop in the S&P 500 and a big drop in the crypto market, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator. So as far as right now, it's very healthy. We see that we are retesting this line, and I'm expecting here bounce, because this was a massive resistance line. You see it based on the past, a massive resistance line. It will turn into big support, and right now it's cooling down here. It looks amazing, bratans. 4 hourly oversold, 1 hourly is oversold perfectly. So everything looks very healthy in my opinion of the S&P 500. Monday 9:30 the stock market will open. Yes, we could see here for Bitcoin more drop to the downside. However, yes, we could go to even to this weekly support of 21,160, but this is still, if we're going to 21,160, this is a massive nice entry position for a long to our price target of the weekly and monthly resistance line at 27,500. So from here on, if we're going to 21K, we have even a potential of upside of 31%. I hope you understand what I'm telling you, bratans. If not, watch the video from the start. And what is also amazing to watch, in case we see Bitcoin breaking here down to the weekly, wait a minute, where is it? 1 second. Wait a minute, I have to zoom in a little bit to the daily support, right? Still, if we see a bounce on daily support, we would see here still a higher low if we see to the daily support. And what we would create here on the RSI, we would see the RSI going more down, and then would create that the RSI would go down while the price of Bitcoin would go up, but only in case if we see bounce on the daily support line, right? So this is what I'm watching right now, bratans. If you appreciate what I'm doing, and if you have more questions, if you want to learn more about crypto trading, I have a free crypto trading course on my Discord channel, absolutely for free for beginners and advanced traders. And in my Telegram group, I will speak also again about my trades, what I do with my short position, with my hourly and day trades, and what I'm doing with my big swing trade. This and more. You find everything in the free Telegram group, and how you can join it. It's very easy, bratan. Here, it's basically two steps. Link in the description, make a registration on Bybit. Here you see this through my link. Deposit $500 on your Bybit account. You get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. It's very easy. It costs you 30 seconds to have registration on Bybit and deposit $500, and you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, where you have absolute for free trading course. And if you want to see some funny things, you know I'm comedian, Slavik.ma4. You can watch on Instagram or TikTok, bratans. There are some funny videos. If you lose all your life savings, at least you can watch some funny videos, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you, and I see you later. Mwah.